So VIZ Media just released 4 brand new manga one-shots on their website and mobile app. Now you may be asking yourself, Monitor, why should I care about this? VIZ Media releases new manga all of the time. The reason you should care about this is because VIZ Media's one-shot program could be a major step forward for non-Japanese manga artists. For context, VIZ Media is the American publisher of Shonen Jump. This means they have the right to publish Shonen Jump manga digitally and physically. It is important to note, however, that VIZ is owned by 3 separate companies. While all Shonen Jump manga in America will be published through VIZ Media, not everything that VIZ Media publishes will be from Shonen Jump. That is why you can find series like My Hero Academia, The Drifting Classroom, and Blue Spring Ride through VIZ Media. So what's interesting about VIZ Media's 4 new one-shots is they are created by non-Japanese mangaka through the one-shot program. I do want to mention that the one-shot program itself is not brand new. Submissions to VIZ Media have been open for the past few months. Even before that, there was the VIZ Originals program, which brought us titles like Status Royale, World Peace, and Betwixt. Both of these applications require you to submit sample art pages, a story synopsis, character descriptions, character designs, target audience, comparable titles, and creator bios to VIZ Media. If you are interested in submitting a one-shot to VIZ Media's one-shot program, or a completed comic work to VIZ Media's original program, I will leave links to their submission guidelines down in the description box below. So fast forward to a few days ago, VIZ Media put out this cryptic post on their Instagram story that reads, "Huge news, stay tuned for a special announcement about an exciting new era for aspiring mangaka." The day after, former Weekly Shonen Jump editor-in-chief Hisashi Sasaki released this video over on VIZ Media's Twitter account. For those of you that don't know, Sasaki was the editor for Shonen Jump titles like Rurouni Kenshin and Kochi Kame. He was also this dude in Bakuman. In this promotional video, Sasaki announced 4 new titles from the one-shot program that officially made their debut: Cinematic Certitude, The Stranger, Ancient Melody, and Skin and Bones. What I liked about this first wave of VIZ Media one-shots is they were all different genres with very different concepts and art styles. Cinematic Certitude by NAF is a sci-fi action story that follows 2 soldiers who must exterminate a giant alien creature. The Stranger by Liam Naughton follows 2 characters who find themselves caught up in a mysterious phenomenon surrounding doppelgangers. Ancient Melody by Jonathan Lareva is an adventure fantasy story that follows a boy who will do anything to earn enough money to treat his mother's illness. Finally, Skin and Bone is an action dark fantasy story that follows a bounty hunter and a rebel spirit who are determined to eradicate an undead army terrorizing the world. After reading all 4, I was very impressed by the creator's storytelling and artistic abilities. I highly recommend you check them out whenever you get a chance. I will leave a link to read those short stories down in the description box below too. In the video, Sasaki mentioned that this program will be a testing ground and will provide an opportunity for select one-shots to be turned into a full series. In the past, there has always been this debate about whether or not non-Japanese manga can be considered manga. And now we have the former editor-in-chief of Shonen Jump telling us that we too could become manga artists like Taikubo, Masashi Kishimoto, and Eiichiro Oda. In my opinion, I believe this might be the first step in building a manga industry here in the West. In the past, we used to have Shonen Jump magazines and Shoujo Beat magazines sold in grocery stores. They were eventually pulled when magazine sales in the West declined. This is the first time we have seen Japanese manga publishers express interest in international talent. The last time we saw this was the 100th Tezuka Award and the creation of Manga Plus Creators by Shueisha. While there are contests like Silent Manga Audition and publishers like Tokyo Pop, this is the first time we have really seen a manga brand as influential as Shueisha really take a chance on foreign manga artists who are not based in Japan. We always hear of the success stories like Shindo L, Pep, and Felipe Smith, but what these artists had in common is they all moved to Japan to work directly with Japanese companies. With Manga Plus Creators, it is a comic hosting platform, meaning anybody can upload their comic there and compete for a monthly award. Nobody really knew how to go from Manga Plus Creators to becoming a successful manga artist, until now. The VIZ Media one-shot program appears to be trying to create an opening for us to enter the Japanese manga industry, even if we live outside of Japan. This is a remote program, meaning you can submit your work from anywhere in the world. What this means is we really need to support this VIZ Media program and support the artists working hard to make a name for themselves. If their short stories do well, they could be serialized. If this program fails and these artists are unable to find success, then these Japanese companies could cease all operations to support non-Japanese manga artists. It is important to remember that if these 4 manga artists succeed, then we all succeed. Let me know your thoughts about VIZ Media's one-shot program and these 4 one-shots down in the comment section below. I would also like to know if any of you are interested in applying to VIZ Media's program one day. If you enjoyed today's video, then make sure to leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. If you would like to further support me, consider following me on all of my social media accounts, joining my Discord community by becoming a YouTube member, or purchasing one of my Manga Maker panel templates on Ko-fi. As always, keep creating, everyone. I will see you all in the next one.